Alright, then we get to do the cadence. So you can do hands together. Since this is a new key, if you want to do separate for a while, then you get all black keys. Isn't that cool? Up to the 4 chord, E major. Down to the 5 chord, which is F sharp major. And then the arpeggio or crossover, just as before. But again, see how we stay in the black key area. And the interval spelled aloud. B to B is a perfect primary unison. B to C sharp is a major second. B to D sharp is a major third. B to E is a perfect fourth. B to F sharp is a perfect fifth. B to G sharp is a major sixth. B to A sharp is a major seventh. And B to B is a perfect eighth or octave. Alright, so that's for B major. Now we're going to do B harmonic minor. Oh, now we're going to do C flat major. Haha, which is the enharmonic spelling for B major. And you think, well, no problem, I'll just think in terms of B major when I do everything. But when you get to the chords, it's going to be a different story. So the 1 chord in B major is spelled B, D sharp, F sharp. No problem, right? But in C flat major, it will be spelled C flat. What will this be? Not a D sharp, but an E flat. And this note will not be an F sharp, it'll be a G flat. Because we need C, E, G, stack of alphabet thirds. So C flat, E flat, G flat spells the root position 1 chord. And then you can invert it just like before, what you did with B major. But this is not going to be spelled E, G sharp, B like it was in B major. Now it's F flat, A flat, C flat. Isn't that bizarre? And then you'll invert what is otherwise known as the E major chord. Then up to the 5 chord. In B major, we thought of this as F sharp. And we spelled the 5 chord as F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. But now in C flat major, we're going to think of it as G flat, B flat, and D flat. Cool, huh? And you invert it. And then the 5/7 chord, instead of being spelled like it was in B major as F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E, now it's going to be spelled G flat, B flat, D flat, and watch this, F flat. Because the key of C flat major has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every note is flatted, all 7 flats. So when you play the scale, you're thinking C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. Whew! When you do the cadence, you can just think like you're in B major if it's easier. Same thing with the arpeggio, cross hands. But with the intervals, this is going to be tricky. I advise you to look at the page when you're learning this until you get it memorized. So C flat to C flat is a perfect prime or unison. C flat to D flat is a major second. C flat to E flat is a major third. C flat to F flat is a perfect fourth. C flat to G flat is a perfect fifth. C flat to A flat is a major sixth. C flat to B flat is a major seventh. And C flat to C flat is a perfect eighth or octave. Whew, that's going to be a brain teaser. And I'll tell you, they often will ask that at the competition since this is one of the new scales you have to learn.